All right, action.
Here we have this beautiful Ferrari today, and today we were allowed to go inside this Ferrari to check it out here in the IE area. So what we want to do is go inside this car and see what we get when we buy one of these Ferraris. So hop on with me.
Oh,
so it's very tight. So this Ferrari is the 4AA GTB. It is pretty amazing, pretty tight. If you go in, it's like a super tight. So you can see here, this room over here is completely removed because of the wheel arches and everything. But the center console is completely removed, and it looks pretty amazing, very tight. But it is pretty amazing to be in one of these, and I'm glad that the owner gave us the opportunity to be in one of these Ferraris. The way to start this Ferrari, you have the controls over here to start, and you have the sport settings over here. This is the way you set the settings, and it doesn't have any gears on everything because most of the new Ferraris don't have manual transmissions. They're all automatics. Will be dual cross transmission or other type of automatic transmission thing using. So reverse, you push the button over here. Auto is just to move, but to put it on parking, you actually have to press both of the shift levers over here, the plus and minus, and that's how you actually change it to between gears and to put it on park. That's the way you drive these Ferraris. It's a pretty amazing looking Ferrari. It smells like new still. So
is that car yours on the bump?
Yes.
The guy wants you to move it.
Oh, all right. We want to move. All right. So that was a quick review of the Ferrari. So thank you to the owner for allowing us to review this Ferrari, and I'm pretty amazed with that. So thank you.
Try, dude.
It's an amazing ride. I'm glad that he allows us to drive it. I mean, not drive it, actually get it right. I mean, at least to go in and have a look of amazing Ferrari, amazing machine. We wanna try to get close to more cars like this for all of you, and follow us on Instagram and YouTube. Just make sure to subscribe and follow us on Instagram. And he's gone. And he's gone. I won't catch him with this car because I have my daily driver car, so I won't be able to catch him. But it was good when we had the opportunity to be inside a Ferrari, because the majority of Ferrari owners, they are super stubborn, they're super like scared when they have the rides. They actually don't want anybody to get close to it, but this dude was pretty nice. He was like, just go for it, do whatever you want. I had limited time, that's the only problem, but you can actually review the car, and that was good. Thank you to him. Hopefully we see him again, and we want to do more content, as I said before, like this for all of you. That way we are going to make our IG and YouTube channel better, and we're gonna make sure to have all the content that all of you want to see. So as I said before, make sure to follow us on Instagram and subscribe on YouTube, so you don't miss any of this content that we're gonna be posting in the future, just like this. Thank you.